Welcome to VanCraft Campervan Rentals. Today I'd like to give you a walkthrough of our two models of campervans, the short and long wheelbase versions. Both are based on the Mercedes Sprinter, which has a proven track record for reliability and an extremely efficient diesel drivetrain. The short wheelbase model can seat and sleep 4, and the long wheelbase can seat and sleep up to 6. All VanCraft campervans come fully stocked with everything you need to camp, including cookware, dishes, fresh linens, extra pillows and sleeping bags, outdoor camp chairs, and snow chains for winter rentals. The vans are self-sustaining on solar power, meaning you never have to plug in to recharge your batteries. In the kitchen, you'll find a 2-burner propane stove, 45-quart top-loading fridge, and an undermount stainless steel sink. Staying organized is made easy with overhead storage bins, ample drawer space, and a floor-to-ceiling pull-out pantry. Window shades suction to the glass and help keep the interior cool during the summer and warm during the winter. The bench seating comes equipped with lap seat belts and room to stow an optional cartridge toilet. The backrest of the bench lifts up to extend the sleeping area of the bed and comfortably fits 2 full-size adults. Don't forget to add an optional rooftop tent to increase the sleeping capacity for either short or long wheelbase campervans. Underneath the bed is an open layout garage with plenty of room for mountain bikes, snow skis, and surfboards up to 6 foot 10 inches long, plus an on-demand 20-gallon outdoor hot water shower. On the exterior, there is a 10-foot awning, all-terrain tires, and an LED light bar for finding your campsite at night. With 4-season insulation and an Airtronic cabin heater, you can camp comfortably year-round. VanCraft makes it possible to explore the best of the U.S. with complete freedom. Whether you're renting a campervan for a weekend escape or setting off on the Great American Road Trip, we guarantee to turn your next adventure into memories that will last a lifetime.